welcome everyone. I hope you are doing great. So today we are representing our final year project on the topics of wave-based applications and wave-based analysis and forecasting of carbon footprint generated by Veran industry. Under the supervisions of Sir Zubir Ahmed and Mr. Mohsin is my group member. So these are the outlines like introductions, problem statements, proposed solutions, goals of the project, technologies, and working of the project. First, introductions of our project, like what's carbon footprint, the amount of carbon dioxides released into the atmosphere is carbon footprint. So our project is depend upon the mute environment. We have to calculate the carbon footprint emissions of mute, and here we analyzing and forecasting the events. These are the problems that may occur in Mehran University. So the major parts that are generating carbon footprint, like transport, paper waste, fuels, event, uh, etc. It will increase the level of carbon dioxide. Direct effect of temperature rises and may spread the disease. And here we propose the solutions to overcome them, like to control them. These would be the web applications that calculate the total carbon footprints generated by mutes and forecast it. It will also give a solution to reduce the carbon footprint. Like these are the some factors by which we can reduce the carbon footprint. Like we should avoid products such excessive packing, like unnecessary packing. We should recycle more, turn off electronic devices that are not in use, drive less, check our vehicles tire, plant trees as more as we can. So our project aim and objectives are to calculate the total carbon footprint, uh, point out the substance that's generating the maximum carbon footprint, provide solutions to reduce carbon footprint, and forecast about carbon footprint. This is the flow diagrams of our program, like according to our research data. Here we will calculate, then analyze and show the graphs of the carbon footprint. Like here we will forecast and provide forecasting. Here is the end for calculations of carbon events, calculate the footprint of events and forecasting, and finally we will give the suggestions to reduce carbon footprint. Uh, these are the technologies and tools that we use in our projects, like front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Ajax, and jQuery, and backend we use Servlet, JSP, and Hibernate. And we use database, MySQL database. Tools that we use Apache NetBeans 12 and Tomcat server. Thank you. This is all our presentations. Like now I'm moving towards my project. It's our project interface. These are the smart, here is our smart approaches that we implemented in our projects, and these are some major components that are generating the maximum carbon footprints, like transport, electricity, and events. Here is the services that we are providing, like calculating the carbon footprints generated by mutes, analyzing and forecasting the events, and if someone wants to calculate their own carbon footprint, they can calculate. So now I'm moving towards the calculated carbon footprint generated by Mehran University. According to our research data, the total carbon footprints generated by mutes is 79.84 tons, and here we are showing the year-wise, category-wise, the carbon footprint calculations, like events, electricity, paper waste, domestic gases, and transport sections. In this sections, the major maximum emissions rate is transport sections. And according to the previous data, we have forecasted the data up to 2025. Another section is event sections. When the event section, we are doing the same. Like first, we calculating the carbon footprints of event, and then we are calculating which events is generating the maximum carbon footprints. Like here in mute one is generating the maximum carbon footprints to 9.84 tons, and after that we are providing suggestions to reduce carbon footprints. Uh, since we know from 2021 there is no any events occur because of COVID, so we just to test our project we set the 2019 data to forecast the events. Third section, third section is calculate your own carbon footprints. If someone want to calculate your own carbon footprints, and they can calculate. Like I am inputting the data is like 12 average distance of car and 2 rice 10 trees of the car. This is printed material like 3 kg just for the testing. And we go calculate the carbon footprints. Like your carbon footprints traveling is 5.83. Your carbon footprint for material is 31.95, and your carbon waste is here we are showing separately, and then we are using annually carbon footprint like that. Total is 15578.20. Tab is information tab. In this section, just we provided the information related to our project, like what's carbon footprints, what are the main factors that are affecting, how to deal with them. Like these are the just information for our projects. And the next is FAQ, some frequently asked questions related to our projects that we listed here. Like what is the solutions to climate change, how we can control them, like overcome them, how do we leave the carbon footprints environment in the Mehran University. And these are some factors that by applying, yeah, by doing this we can control the carbon footprint. What is the bit about carbon footprints? These are the frequently asked questions about our project. And the next section is all about our teams, and just is all about our teams. Like, and the next is contact information. If someone want to contact with the Mehran University, can contact like by just filling the forms or by giving the above details. Like here, you just want to fill the form. Here, this form has been sent to the admins. Now he will be soon in touch with you. So this is all our project. Thank you very much all.